Hi, this is a video on my Westminster grandfather clock. I've been having a lot of trouble with it lately. It seems to want to chime a lot more chimes than it's supposed to. It's at like 12 o'clock it'll ring 16 times, and just a little bit ago at 9 o'clock it rang 10 times, and it's not always an hour fast. It's sporadic. It just goes off whenever it wants. And in the past we've moved the hand so that it registers the right time, but I can't understand why it would ring 16 times at 12 o'clock. I'm hoping somebody can give me an idea of what could be wrong with my beautiful clock. So it's almost 10 o'clock, so it should ring 10 times. And here it goes. So as you can hear, it rang 14 times at 10 o'clock. And the little, I'm going to move in closer. I'm sorry if it's shaky. It makes ting noises instead of ding noises. But I'm really not sure about what's going on with it. And if someone out there has a clue, they can fill me in on it. But it was made in about 1920, I think. I've done one video on it before. But it's a beautiful clock, and somebody told us it would cost $600 to come fix it. But we might do it because it's an heirloom my father gave me. And he got it in Germany in 1960 something. But subscribe to my channel if you want more information on this clock. Have a nice day.